Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I'm very late my live streaming in the YouTube here. So I'm very busy or very stressful or maybe this distinguish here from this one. So let's continue from this Armageddon's 8 here from this one in this Norway Chess 2025 Armageddon 8 here from this one. So two rounds or two Armageddons left here from this one. So it means Armageddon's rapid chess within 10 minutes from whites and 7 minutes from blacks here from this one. So rotations by whites and blacks here from this one. So and also between from this Grandmaster in China Wei versus the Grandmaster in Norway in the world champion Magnus Carlsen here from this one. In this part of these videos here, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this Armageddon's 8. So white plays Wei is e4, e5 Magnus, bishop c4, bishop's opening, knight f6 Berlin defense here from this one. So it means Berlin defense, d3, c6, so it means without c6 here, and knight f3, bishop to e7 without, so it means bishop to e7 here from this one. So it means bishop to e7 and castling. So it means castling by Wei. So for example, if you capture this knight takes free pawns here from this one, and also queen to a5 check trapped by knights. So look at these knights checking targets here without targets check, so trapped by knights here. So it means not captured from these pawns here, so it means avoid. So back there is castling by Wei and d6 by Magnus, so it means without determinations, or upcoming by castling by Magnus, so determinations here from this one. And also c3, knight bd7 here, so without knight to bd7 by Magnus, rook e1, knight f8, so it means without knight f8, or upcoming by knight to g6, or maybe knight to e6, so it means determinations here. So it means knight f6 here from this Magnus Carlsen's, and queen b3 without threats by pawns. So it means without threats by pawns here. So it means queen b3 is novelty by Wei. So it means novelty by according by chess.com database. So the old main lines good novelty, the first knight to bd2, bishop to b3, and knight to g5. So it means knight to g5 here from this one. So it means without first, second, third here. So the fourth novelty, queen b3, fourth novelty by Wei from this one. And so why don't we castling by Magnus Carlsen's here from this one? So it means queen to b3 and knight e6, good move by Magnus, so it means determinations here from this one. d4 without controls or by eliminates by pawns, and queen c7, knight bd2, very strongest good move by Wei here from this one. Or symbolize or maybe upcoming by knight 4, knight to f1, or knight to g3. So it means these are available by moves here from this one. And castling by Magnus, bishop f1. So it's symbolized by good decisions by Wei here from this one. So it means Wei. And rook e8 by Magnus, a4 without push by a5, a5 by Magnus without stopping by whites by pawns, and knight c4 without jumping by Wei here from this one. Captured. Knight b6 threats by bishops or rook. Tempo attacks. So it means the tempo's rook or tempo's bishop here. Without tempo's attacks here from this one. Rook b8. Captured. Bishop to b8 without forward bishop to b8, and knight takes bishop, rook takes knight, and bishop to d2. So it means without controls or determinations here from this one. Queen b6 without queen to queen, and queen d3 avoided by Wei. For example, in accept, why don't we Next step, queen takes captured, queen to queen, and also bishop takes b6 here. If you decided, why don't we pawn b4? So it means without b4, if you capture this one, capture this pawn, bishop takes pawns, and decide to push to c5. So if you capture this one, captured and also captured. So it means good slightly better from whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is queen d3 avoided by Wei, and d5 push e5 without strongest move by Wei, threats by knights or temple attacks here from this one. Knight e4, enterings jumping by Magnus, bishop e3, determinations, good slightly determinations by white by Wei, bishop to e7, rook ad1, rook ed8 without or code a trunk here from this one. Queen b1 by eliminates by pawn, by eliminates by go back downs by queens by Wei here. c5 by Magnus, bishop b5 without strongest by Wei, captured, knight takes captured, knight takes, bishop takes, and bishop c5 without doubles by queens and bishops or determinations, and queen d3 good move by Wei without determinations here. So it means the time clocks within 2 minutes here, by same by clocks here by minutes here. And g6 without controls by kings or determinations by king. So it means these are determinations by kings here from this one. And queen e3, bishop takes captured, rook takes d4. So it means without rook takes d4 here, knight g5 without go back by Magnus. So it means if you capture this one, so if you capture this, queen takes knight and queen eliminates by rook. So it means one rook down. So determination. So let's continue. Knight g5, queen d2, rook c2. Oh my god, blunderacious by Magnus. So it means rook c2 blunderacious. So rook c2 is blunderacious by Magnus Carlsen. So it means blunderacious. So the best moves there is knight to e6 here from this one. If you rook takes captured here, so if you rook takes captured, queen takes rook, and also rook to c2. If you queen f3 here, so it means without queens, so without threats by pawns and rook pawns here in this one. So it means determination, so threats here. So if you decided queen to f3 and knight to d4, simple as that, is very slightly better goods from whites and blacks here from this one. And let's go back is rook to c2, so it means blunderacious. So it means without blunderacious by rook c2 by Magnus here. So what do you think? The captured queen takes g5, 10 bits here is called 10 bits by rooks. That's by rooks here from this one. And rook takes captured, so it means without rook takes captured here from this one. So the first puzzle, what do you thinking? What do you thinking the best finding brilliant move by sacrifice by Wei? So while waiting for a couple for seconds, we continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Queen takes rook, brilliant move by Wei. So it means one rook down by Magnus. Queen takes captured. King takes f2. So it means king takes f2 without one rook down by here. No more rooks by Magnus, so it means good move. Queen c7, Rook takes captured and queen d6 check, king e2, queen e6. So it means without queen e6 threats by rooks. Rook a d1 without battery, queen f5 without move by check or determinations or check. So it means without check here from this one. Rook 1 d4, so it means without battery. Queen c2 check and king f3. King g7, king must be active, and also h3. h5 without movement here, and rook d7 without threats by pawns, and g5. Bishop c4, so it means without bishop to c4. So for example, why don't we rook takes 3 pawns? So what do you think from this one here, from this one, and also, oh, so it means queen to c3 check. So it means queen to c3 check if you move by king f2 and also queen c2 check. So it means examples here. So back there is bishop to c4, queen f5 check, and also king e2 check, king d1, and also queen h2 threats by pawns here. Rook 4 d6, queen g1 check, and also king c2, queen capture check, and also king b3, king f8, rook takes f7 check. Oh my god, upcoming by meeting nets here. King 8, king e8, and also the last shot, rook g6 without upcoming by meeting nets here. So it means resigned by world champion Magnus Carlsen. What a nice good winning by Wei from this one. So it means winning from these shots here from this one. So the score from these whites here, 94.1 by Wei and 85.8 accuracy by Magnus Carlsen. So it means the winner Wei from this one. So the next round number 9 between Zhu Wenjun versus Anna Muzychuk. So it means rotation. Anna Muzychuk versus Zhu Wenjun here from this one. I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka ICOLMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.